watching my videos this way and keep supporting my channel. Now let's come to the point. Today in this video, I will discuss all important multiple choice GK question answer from Mauryan Empire, which are very important for your upcoming competitive exams. Then without wasting your time, let's start. First question, which is the oldest dynasty in India? Right answer, Mauryan dynasty. Next question, when did Mauryan Empire begin? Right answer, 322 BC, and it was ended in 185 BC. Got it, friends? Next question. Question number 3. The Mauryan Empire was founded in 322 BC by Chandragupta Maurya. Yes, friends, Chandragupta Maurya was the founder of Mauryan Empire and the first emperor of Mauryan dynasty, who reigned from 322 BC to 298 BC. Next question. Who was the first ruler of India? A. Chandragupta Maurya, B. Kanishka, C. Harshavardhana, D. Ajashatru. Right answer option A, Chandragupta Maurya. Remember it, friends, Chandragupta Maurya, whom we call the first national ruler of India. Question number 5. What was the capital of Mauryan Empire, or what was the capital city of Chandragupta Maurya? A. Pataliputra, B. Vaishali, C. Lumbini, D. Gaya. Right answer option E, Pataliputra. Yes, friends, the capital of the Mauryan kingdom was located at Pataliputra, and you know the modern name of Pataliputra is Patna, which is the capital city of Bihar. Question number 6. What was the main language of Mauryan period? A. Pali, B. Sanskrit, C. Magadhi Prakrit, D. None of the above. Right answer option C, Magadhi Prakrit. Next question. What was the main center of education during the period of Mauryan Empire? A. Nalanda, B. Ujjain, C. Takshila, D. Vaishali. Right answer option C, Takshila. Yes, friends, Takshila University was the main center of education during Mauryan period. Question number 8. The main occupation of the people during Mauryan period was agriculture. Which Greek ambassador visited India during the period of Chandragupta Maurya, or which Greek ambassador sent to the court of Chandragupta Maurya? A. Alexander, B. Megasthenes, C. Plato, D. Aristotle. I think you know the right answer. The right answer will be option B, Megasthenes. Yes, friends, Megasthenes was sent to the court of Chandragupta Maurya in Pataliputra, India. Question number 10. It's a very important question. The book written by Megasthenes was Indica. Indica was written around 300 BC. The division of Mauryan society into 7 classes was particularly mentioned in the Indica of Megasthenes. Next question. Indica was written in which language? A. English, B. Greek, C. Chinese, D. Hebrew. Right answer option B, Greek language. Question number 12. Megasthenes was the ambassador of Seleucus first Nicator. Chandragupta Maurya was an ardent follower of Jainism. Next question. Under whose influence Chandragupta Maurya embraced Jainism? Right answer option A, Bhadrabahu, a renowned Jain Muni. Question number 15. Mudra Rakshasa was written by Vishakadatta. Vishakadatta was an Indian Sanskrit poet and playwright who wrote this play Mudra Rakshasa in Sanskrit language in 6th century AD, which narrates how Chandragupta Maurya ascended the throne of Magadha after defeating the Nandas. Question number 16. It's a very important question. Who wrote Arthashastra? Right answer will be option A, Kautilya. Kautilya is also known as Chanakya. And for your kind information, the original name of Kautilya was Vishnugupta. Is that clear, friends? Next question. Question number 18. The rule of which king is mentioned in the scripture of Arthashastra? A. Samudragupta, B. Ashoka, C. Kanishka, D. Chandragupta Maurya. Right answer option D. Chandragupta Maurya. Who was the teacher of Chandragupta Maurya? A. Vishakhadatta, B. Chanakya, C. Megasthenes, D. Socrates. The right answer of this question is option B. Chanakya or Kautilya. Question number 20. Who was the son of Chandragupta Maurya? A. Ashoka, B. Brihadratha, C. Pushyamitra Shunga, D. Bindusara. Right answer option D. Bindusara. Bindusara was the second emperor of Mauryan dynasty. He reigned from 297 BC to 273 BC. Question number 21. Which Mauryan king holds the title of Amitraghata, killer of the enemies? It's a very important. Right answer option C. Bindusara. Next question. Who was the son of Bindusara? A. Dhanananda, B. Ashoka, C. Bimbisara, D. Harshavardhana. Right answer option B. Ashoka. Ashoka was the third emperor of Mauryan dynasty. He reigned from 268 BC to 232 BC. And for your kind information, Ashoka means without sorrow. Question number 23. The monk who influenced Ashoka to embrace Buddhism was Upagupta. Upagupta was a renowned Buddhist monk in 3rd century BC. Next question. Who was the son of Ashoka sent to abroad to spread Buddhism? A. Sangamitra, B. Ananda, C. Harishana, D. Mahendra. Right answer option D. Mahendra. And friends, remember, option A. Sangamitra, who was the daughter of Ashoka, was also sent to Sri Lanka to spread Buddhism. Got it, friends? Next question. Question number 25. When did Ashoka invade Kalinga? Right answer option C. 261 BC. Question number 26. Who was the last Nanda ruler defeated and killed by Chandragupta Maurya? Right answer option C. Dhanananda. Next question. The decline of the Nandas at the hands of Kautilya and Chandragupta Maurya has been vividly portrayed in the Sanskrit play written by Kalidasa was Malvikagnimithram. Question number 28. Which dynasty ruled over Magadha after Mauryan dynasty? A. Satvahana dynasty, B. Sunga dynasty, C. Nanda dynasty, D. Kanva dynasty. Right answer option B. Sunga dynasty. The Sunga dynasty was a Brahmin dynasty established in 185 BC. Next question. Who was the last ruler of Mauryan dynasty? Right answer option B. Brihadratha. Last and final question. Question number 30. Who killed or assassinated the last Mauryan king Brihadratha in 185 BC? A. Pushyamitra Shunga, B. Agnimitra, C. Vashumitra, D. Sangamitra. Right answer option A. Pushyamitra Shunga. Yes friends, Brihadratha, the last ruler of Mauryan dynasty, was killed by General Pushyamitra Shunga in the year 185 BC and Shunga dynasty was established. So friends, I think you have a clear idea about the Mauryan Empire. If you like this video, then please click